Are you an adventure seeker looking for a smartwatch that can keep up with your active lifestyle? Maybe you're a hiker, a surfer, or a marathon runner. Whatever your passion, you need a smartwatch that can withstand the toughest conditions. That's why Apple designed the Apple Watch Ultra, a rugged and feature-packed smartwatch built for extreme conditions. But is it still the best choice in 2024? Let's find out. Welcome back to Smartphone Predictions, where we dive into the latest tech trends and innovations. Today, we're putting the Apple Watch Ultra under the microscope to see if it remains a worthy investment as we move further into 2024. With new smartwatch models hitting the market, and evolving technology is essential to determine if the Apple Watch Ultra still meets the needs of its users. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, an outdoor enthusiast, or just someone who wants a reliable smartwatch, this video is for you. The Apple Watch Ultra was released in 2022, and since then, we've seen new smartwatches from Samsung, Garmin, and others. These newer models boast improved features, longer battery life, and sleeker designs. For example, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 offers advanced health features like blood oxygen level monitoring and improved GPS tracking. The Garmin Forerunner 955, on the other hand, offers up to 15 days of battery life and music storage. So the question is, has the Apple Watch Ultra kept pace with the competition? Let's dive into the Apple Watch Ultra's key features, such as its rugged design, GPS tracking, and water resistance. The Apple Watch Ultra is built with titanium, making it lightweight and durable. It also features a large 49mm display, perfect for outdoor activities. Additionally, it offers advanced GPS tracking, including dual-frequency GPS and GPS plus GLONASS plus Galileo plus GZSS. However, while these features were groundbreaking in 2022, do they still hold up against newer smartwatches? We'll also examine user feedback and compare it with newer competitors. So, has the Apple Watch Ultra adapted to the changing landscape of smartwatches, or has it fallen behind? While it still excels in extreme conditions, newer smartwatches offer more advanced health features, better battery life, and more stylish designs. For example, the Apple Watch Ultra's battery life is up to 36 hours, while the Garmin Forerunner 955 offers up to 15 days. Additionally, the Apple Watch Ultra's price point makes it less competitive in 2024. The starting price of the Apple Watch Ultra is $799, while the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 starts at $399. In summary, while the Apple Watch Ultra remains a solid choice for adventure seekers, it's no longer the best choice for everyone in 2024. Its high price point and lack of significant updates make it less competitive against newer smartwatches. However, if you're invested in the Apple ecosystem and want a rugged smartwatch for extreme conditions, the Apple Watch Ultra is still a great choice. If you found this analysis helpful, check out my other videos on smartwatches and let me know your thoughts on the Apple Watch Ultra in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.